cleanup. There's a lot of tile grout haze on the tile, a lot of drips from caulking and all other chemicals. There's a lot of dirt on the tile that a regular mopping will not take out. And afterwards, we're going to be doing sealing to all the grout joints. So this is a brand new floor, a new built home in Welland Park, and they leave a lot of discoloration in the grout lines and caulking or whatever this could be, or paint. So all this is going to be will be cleaned up. There's dirt everywhere. Touch my hand on the tile, slide it, my fingers are all dirty. Caulking residue, grout residue, there's discoloration in the grout, there's some sort of residue. We'll do our best to make this floor look brand new, as it should be, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the grout cleaned up pretty well throughout the house for the most part. It's all pretty much like a consistent color. But going into this bedroom here, starting like in this area, all of this is so discolored, it's crazy. I'm 99% sure that since a lot of the efflorescence throughout the home hasn't washed out, but here, since it didn't wash out, that means that when they mixed the grout, they've added way too much water. You can see the cracking, bubbles. So this is from over watering the grout, because the grout has a special mixture of water per how much sanded grout you put in. So this is just the one bedroom that doesn't look too good. Luckily it's just this one bedroom, not the whole house.